No, she just won't drink the water here. Here, she wants to drink it off the floor. Really, Nevaeh? So today was a really productive day, but sometimes I get sidetracked when I was cleaning. I found my Xbox and started playing with that, cleaning at the same time. So, but it was more productive than anything. I'm just gonna cook dinner. I'm using this curry again. I just put on some vegetables, tomatoes, bell peppers. I only had one potato, a small one, so that's what this is here. It was really small. And I don't have usually you put the frozen veggies, but do what you want, you know. That's my finished product. I already ate, and Kiana already took dinner. Forgot to film it right after, but yeah, this is the curry, hamburger curry, and you just add some rice with that, and you're all good. I'm gonna pack my lunch for tomorrow, so that I don't, in the morning I get kind of, I don't want to be packing my lunch. I just want to make my coffee, take Nevaeh out, so it's easier like this. Yeah. So that's gonna be my lunch for tomorrow, and I'm all set for tomorrow. Yeah, I've been cooking and preparing my lunch at home lately. It's better that way because then you can save money at the same time. Yeah. So I got these from TJ Maxx or one of those stores, and this is the Anchor. That's the brand. But I noticed that some of them you see here crack easily. The lids crack easily. But these are still good, but the lids just crack easily. I mean, it still holds on, so that's fine. But, just that. But I do like the containers with the lid. And I do like the glass containers because the plastic ones, it's hard to keep, like if something's like chili or something oily, it's just hard to get clean. So glass works good for us. Hi mama. Hi silly girl. Hi Nevaeh. Okay, so I'm just gonna clean up and then probably finish this video today. I'll edit this video after this. So an update, my arm is feeling better, way better. But it's still, I don't want it, it's still a little bit sore, but I can move it now. I just can't overdo it. Yeah, that was having that stuff on my arm last week. That was interesting. I didn't know I could be in so much pain without even injuring my body. It's nuts. But yeah, hope you guys enjoyed this vlog. And yeah, I'll see you guys in my next video. Hope it wasn't too boring for you guys. Yeah, and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye!